Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
Yes, guys, we're back with another vlog. Well, I'm back with another black. I'm back. Yes, I am black, but I'm back with another vlog. This time we're going for a walk. Well, a hike. We're going up there, and then hopefully up there. I believe it's called Cape Canaveral or Cape Lambada, something like that. But we're gonna go for a hike. I've got the trusty GoPro with me. Got the Rolex, the Daytona, just in case I fall down the hill. It's the one that will definitely survive the fall. I've got the trusty Snood with me because it's about 0 degrees, I think. Maybe 0.5 or something like that. But yes, I've got it with me to keep my face warm. Keep sliding down though, but let's get to hiking, I guess. So Shanice is over there. She looks really far right now because, let me just change the angle of this. There we go. Because I've got it on super view. I don't know what angle is best, whether it was super view or wide, but I've got it on super view.
But you don't want me to do. Please don't let me go now. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go now. Please, please, please.
So Shanice wants to follow the posts, and the posts are going up there. So let's follow the posts. This is the view we got so far.
Don't make me do what you don't want me to do.
But yeah, loads of people have been here, obviously, as you can see. So we're just going to follow this path here. So at the moment, we're about halfway up. And that's the view so far. We're not coming down this way. Right, so the plan was to go to the top. I was ready to go up there, to the top. But Shanice, how are you feeling about this whole going to the top thing? So we're going to go back down and go to the lake and go to Dovedale stepping stones, which is like in the valley between two of the hills. We're gonna go there instead. We got like a good, we're like 95% there, 98% there. It was just the last part. We didn't stick to the proper path. We kind of took a bit of a detour. And it's a bit slippy in it, so like, I'm not really trying to slip over in them things there. And then like, break my foot, get me.
Please don't let me go now. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go now. Please, please, please.
it to the bottom of that hill. Well, we made it halfway to the top-ish. And then kind of to the top, to the bottom, to the top. So we're going to the steps now. Fell over like 20 times. You fell over like 20 times. I didn't, obviously. Cause I was born for this. I do this thing. I really do this thing. Yeah, me too. But yeah, man. Let's go to the steps and that. So we got to the lake now, which is just there. Got to the lake and that. Yo, water sounds so peaceful, man. Like literally, it's so peaceful.
Let me go now, please, please, please.
Imagine we're in England, yeah, and look how clear that water is. And we're in England. Right, mate, shut up. Now, for people who don't know, this is Dovedale, and I can't remember which company it is, whether it's Highland Springs or Buxton or something like that. They get the water from, not obviously this specific lake, but where the water's originated from, that's where they get the water from. I'll find out and then I'll let you lot know, but yeah, man, that's why it's so clear in that. So literally you could drink this water. Like, you could literally just drink this water. I'm not gonna do it now because it's cold and I feel like my lungs would freeze. My stomach would freeze. Right, the Dovedale steps now. We're not going to go on them because like, we're trying to get our feet wet in it. And people's feet are out getting wet. Not really on that thing there. But yeah, man, I'll show you one sec.